How's it going, guys? In this video I have a Peugeot Partner van and the heater blower motor is not working. So as you can see there, on number 1, 2, 3 and 4 we have absolutely no heat coming through. So in this video I'm going to show you how to diagnose and rectify that exact fault. So the first thing you're going to want to do with any problem like this is check to see if there's a particular fuse that's running off that. If there isn't, or if the fuse is okay, you're on to the next step, which is locating the blower motor itself and then checking to see if there's power coming through to that blower motor. So that's the two items I'm going to do now. I'm going to check to see if there is a fuse, and then I'm going to check to see where the location of the blower motor is and start to access that. Okay, so the first thing I checked is F11 here, which is the heater blower motor. It's a 40 amp fuse just under the bonnet. If you look down here, that's F11, that's the 40 amp, and the fuse is fine in it. So the next thing I'm going to do is get into the blower motor itself, and I'm going to check for power going to the motor, and I'm also going to check if there's any relay issues in there as well. So the next thing I went to do is remove this plastic under tray which sits in the passenger footwell just under here. Two plastic buttons, the centerpiece lift up out of position and you pull them back. When you have them two out, you have 1, 2, 3 clips that you just press in and pull down, and you'll be able to remove this cover then. Alright, so down in the footwell I have just pulled the relay out of position, and what I have found is scorching marks there, as you can see, and on the other side just in here there's some heating as well. So what I'm going to do next is remove that relay now and check the contacts, check the wiring, make sure that's all good, and it could well be that this is the main fault of this problem, but I'm just going to check it now. I removed the relay, and as you can see there on that particular pin, if I can get it to focus in, that there's a lot of scorching and heating on that side. So that's on the 87 side. Now I will go ahead and do a test on this to make sure it is completely burnt out, but I believe it's safe enough to say that it is when you see that type of marks. I have the relay removed here, and I just want to show you a test that you can do on the relay. You'll need a multimeter, and you will need a battery source of some kind to put voltage into it. Okay, so I've just set up there. I have the crocodile clips on the multimeter, and that is on 30 and 87 is the numbers, and on 85 and 86 I have the female type connectors just on the end of a wire, and I have them separated here, which I will connect to my battery to do the test. I'm just going to set this up now, and you'll be able to see it being done. Now I have the exact same thing set up here again, except I know this relay is good. This is a second-hand relay that I got for the customer while I was waiting for a new one to come into the dealership. So this is fully functional across all speeds, and I'm going to do the exact same test, and you want to hear that click and you want to see this reading. You want both of them things to happen to know that the relay is all good. So I'm going to go ahead and do that test now. And so you're listening for a click, and this should change as well. And as you can see, you're having a reading there and the clicking, and that's how you know that the relay is good. So after doing that test there, I knew testing it that the relay was faulty. I was able to go ahead and get a second-hand one just to save time for the customer, so that they wouldn't be without a blower motor, especially when it's quite cold here at the moment. The relay has just come in today and I'm about to fit it, and I have it here. So I got this from the dealership, came in today, and I'm about to fit it, and this job will be then complete. So I'll check back in with you just after I install this. I've just fitted the relay back in under the glove box up under here. I'm now on the driver's side and we're about to check. And as you can hear, the blower motor is working perfectly and everything is good. And that is it, guys. This job is now complete. I hope you found this video useful. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. I have other Peugeot Partner videos up on my channel as well, and I have them linked all in the description.